Looks like we got two street legal sunfires to race now. I know one's a 5-speed I saw inside. I don't know about the other one. And my 400 Suzuki quad. They're off. Oh, one's a little bit better than the other one already. Oh yeah, he's better. He's doing really good. Next I'll take him on with my GTS 1.6. Those are 2.2 liters.
2.2 slow. I can't believe we're out. Clutch too soon.
You lost! You lost! Alright, take two.
His brown waist up, black waist down. They don't know
A little closer this time.
You gotta honk the horn.
These guys are amateurs.
Quad's doing better than I thought it would.
Yeah, but the quad's got big fat bob on it, plus a passenger, so that's a lot of weight. Really big fat bob. I thought they were supposed to race me. Race 3.
No way. Plus how light they are. Not how much power it has, it's how much power to weight ratio it has.
One of those cars is definitely faster, or a better driver. Oh! He's getting taken. Almost. Gotta slow down. Oh, she's dressed in different attire today.
Yes.
Welcome back, Natasha.
Thank you. I have lots of ideas. Today we're gonna have a...
Oh boy, boy. I got lots of ideas too.
Do we
ever?
Yeah.
Oh, those cars are hammered anyways, Dave. They're meant to be field cars.
When are you gonna race me?
You want to race it?
That was the whole idea. You're racing my GTS 1.6.
Alright, let's do it. Let
With
my
your
car cool down a bit.
little 5-speed. All right.
Let it cool down a bit.
Park it into the wind then. Turn around and park it right into the wind. Open your hood and face the wind.
Alright.